In this video, I'll guide you through how to mark an email as important in Gmail so you never overlook messages that matter most. First, make sure you're signed into your Gmail account and looking at your inbox. This is the main screen where you see all your incoming messages listed in rows. If you're using a web browser, you'll usually see your inbox by default right after logging in. If not, just click on the word inbox in the menu on the left side to bring it up. Take a moment to scan your inbox and find the email you want to mark as important. This could be something from a coworker, a confirmation message, a receipt, or anything you know you'll want to find quickly later. You don't need to open the email first to mark it as important. You can do it directly from the inbox view, which can save you a bit of time if you're managing a lot of messages at once. Once you've found the email, look at the icons around it. On the left, you'll usually see a checkbox and maybe a star icon. But what you're looking for here is the mark as important icon, which appears as a small arrow-shaped marker. Depending on your interface, this icon might be near the subject line or just to the left of it. It often looks like a little outline of a tag or marker pointing to the right. Go ahead and click that mark as important icon for the email you've chosen. As soon as you click it, you should notice a visual change, like the icon becoming filled in or highlighted. That change is your confirmation that Gmail now treats that email as important. Behind the scenes, this tells Gmail that this message is a priority for you. Over time, Gmail can use this information, along with your other actions, to better predict which incoming emails might be important. So using this feature doesn't just help you with one message, it can gradually improve how your inbox is organized overall. If you decide later that the email is no longer important, you can simply click the same icon again to unmark it. It will return to being a normal message, and you can always mark it as important again in the future if you change your mind. Here's a quick tip. Marking emails as important works well alongside other Gmail tools. For example, you can star an email and also mark it as important if it's something you both reference often and want Gmail to treat as high priority. You can also combine this with filters and labels to keep your inbox even more organized. To recap in a simple way, you open your Gmail inbox, locate the email you care about, and click the mark as important icon that looks like an arrow-shaped marker. That's all it takes. Once you start using this regularly, it becomes a quick habit that makes it much easier to stay on top of what really matters in your inbox. That's how you mark an email as important in Gmail.